evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Thursday, March 22nd, 2012. This morning we had a total of 3 executable KISS signals for a max potential of 23 ES ticks per contract traded. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability KISS trade setup and give you a feel for the number of trades taken each morning in our live room. Our full trading plan, educational DVDs, and trading room access can be found on our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, this morning right after the open there was a signal short, and the deepest entry there would have provided 11 ticks to the downside, and as soon as that trade came to target, there was another signal. We had kind of a cross back and forth that produced another entry with a downside target 7 ticks, and then the market continued to push down until just after 11 o'clock. We came off of a key level 8250 we called out in the room, and the market started to reverse. We came through the moving average, pulled back into a nice signal long for 5 ticks to the upside right at 1144 as we were heading into our lunchtime dead zone. So if you just stuck with the first trade and held it all the way through target, took the second signal, and then the reversal up heading into the dead zone, you ended up with 3 trades for 23 ES ticks. However, I want to explain what I have colored in gray here. In the midst of this original short, we actually had a KISS long signal. Now, you have 2 options as a trader. You can hold on to the original position until you hit target and get stopped out, or when you get a signal in the opposite direction, you can exit out of your original position and take that signal opposite direction because the reason for the trade has changed. Well, if you would have done that, you would have actually scratched out of the first trade, or possibly even picked up a couple of ticks, and then you would have taken this KISS long winner, and you would have had 6 ticks to the upside, and then you would have went through and had the same short signal for 7 ticks and the same long signal for 5 ticks. So what I'm showing down here as a possibility is if you went ahead and scratched out of this first trade, assuming you scratched for 0, like I said, you could have picked up an extra couple of ticks, and only took the 6 ticks to the upside. Those 2 would nullify each other, and you would end up with a total of 4 KISS trades for 18 ES ticks. I hope that makes sense to you. If you're a member of our trading room or an owner of our trading plan, you know exactly what I mean by only being able to trade in one position at a time, and how you can get a signal opposite of your current position. And if you would have scratched out and taken that opposite signal, that's how you would have fared today. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.